So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, under computer configuration, you want to expand administrator templates. And now you want to expand Windows components. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand BitLocker drive encryption. And now you want to click on operating system drives. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you're going to double click on require additional authentication at startup. Double click on this. And then once this comes up, you're going to select enabled. And now you're going to untick this option right here. Allow BitLocker via compatible TPM. You want to untick this and then select this as enabled. And then once you've done that, you want to keep this on allow TPM. And now for the second option right here, you're going to click on this and then select require startup pin or TPM. And then you want to keep these last two options as default. Just copy what you can see on my screen right now for these four. And now you're going to click on OK. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.